A phasor diagram indicates relationship between voltage and current in an AC circuit having inductance, either resistance or capacitance. Hey, wait man, wait. Are we going to talk about JavaScript library? I mean, phaser.js?
Sorry.
If you ever been to a website that allows you to play games like run and gun, beat 'em ups, hack and slash, platformers, puzzle games, point and click adventures, card games, even IO games. All these games you just viewed are powered by phaser.js under the hood. Previously, needed to use a game engine like GameMaker, Construct 3, Unity, Godot, and they use completely new programming language to write code for your games. And moreover, most of these game engines are not free and they have a steep learning curve. There is a JavaScript library for all the web developers like you to develop games. As JavaScript being the core web technology, let's talk about Phasor JS. Phasor is fun, free, and fast 2D game development framework for making HTML5 games for desktop web browsers as well as mobile web browsers, supporting both HTML5 Canvas and WebGL rendering. You can package the code you write in Phasor by using third-party tools like Cocos 2DX and release it on both Android as well as iOS app stores. Phasor 3.55.2 is the current version of Phasor game development framework. It includes brand new custom WebGL support which is required for modern 2D games. Under the hood, Phasor internally uses both WebGL as well as Canvas. Depending on the platform support, it uses one of them. This allows the lightning fast rendering across desktop and mobile devices. To get started, there are a lot of examples on the labs.phasor.io for your own games. First, clone the Phasor project template from GitHub. Then open the project in your favorite text editor. As soon as you open the project, run the command npm install to get all the npm dependencies it required. And the process of downloading might take for a while or a second based on your internet connectivity. Then run the command npm start. There you have your first Phasor game project. The almighty game loop is update, get input from the player and update in the game world, and this loop continues go on and on. But the Phasor game loop is, at first it will look for init, the initialization condition, then it goes for preloader, the loader which you see when all the assets are loading, and then there is a create function. Then comes the update render game loop and it runs at 60 fps and it shows you to the end user. You can use Code Sandbox for the Phasor.js projects and many more examples available on the Phazor's official website. This has been Phasor JS in 100 seconds. Thank you for watching and welcome to Watch to the End Club. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos. I'm expecting at least 3 likes for this video. Thank you again.